My name is Josephine Marsh. I was in Doolin in the late 80s, actually. Spent about 3.5 years here. You know, you'd often have visiting musicians, and then one night Jackie Daly came to town, and he was one of my heroes at the time, you know, with Patrick Street, and I just loved his style, and I sat down beside him and I couldn't believe that I was sitting with Jackie Daly, you know. But he was lovely, and he was playing some polkas and slides in the session, and he just encouraged me to play along. A lot of my style would be based on my father's kind of rhythm, I suppose, and his punctuation. As I say, I took bits and pieces from different people over the years. I would have been influenced by Jackie a lot. I'm going to play 2 tunes. The first one I wrote, it's called Jig for the One Row, and the second one I learned from my father, Paddy, and I call it Paddy Marsh's Salamanca.
Thank you.